Day after FOMC. I'm bearish today. I might enter if we can inverse this 5-minute, but I ideally would like to see some manipulation upwards, but I don't know, I have a feeling that market's probably just gonna immediately open up and then sweep all these lows. And that's pretty much, those are my bearish targets for today. Maybe even these, but if we go out and we fucking, I want to maybe sweep up a little bit more, maybe create an SMT at these highs up here, and then find an entry down. But who knows? We'll probably sweep all this out and then maybe flip bullish. Yeah, I'm probably bearish until at least this 5 minutes tapped into. Yeah, this is unmitigated on ES. Yeah, see, that level of displacement, and ES is not doing that. So maybe this is bullish. Just tapped right into that 5-minute. See, I could have gotten a pre-market short here. There's an SMT here, there, and then, or actually no, I think the SMT was this one here. Yeah, so bearish is correct, but I didn't think we were gonna do it all in one fucking candle. What is this range here? That was a 50 point, right? 50 point candle. But I mean, we have these relative highs at buy side. All of these Jones got fucking ripped. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Yeah. I mean, I know, fuck, I always do that wrong. Yeah. I mean, if we get this 1-minute inversion, what the fuck? It's like you target that, put your stop loss like there. I kind of like that. I don't mind that at all. And then break evens like right here. I don't know, maybe we'll get a little bit of a better entry. No. Kind of making SMT here pretty hard. High time frame SMT. And a rejection, I have a 15-minute or a 5-minute. So we could get, hopefully we don't fill it. We fucking fill it on NQ then. Yeah, that's pretty much it for what I wanted to see then. Unless we're getting the, oh, hey now. 30-second chop. Inverse that 5-minute. Fat. So fat. 15 minutes still. There's no entry. Better. Look at it. So ES wants to go up now. I wonder if we'll get a pretty dope short entry, like down to these lows. Short entry might be possible. I don't know though, because we've got an SMT. We're SMTing right now. We just, yeah. I feel like we're probably gonna end up just rejecting out of a, I don't know. I'd like to see a buy model. I'd like to see a buy model because we got an SMT. Oh, we might fucking get it. This is what I'd be going for. I'd probably put stop right there, and I'd be going for that. So 1-to-1, probably. That's just, here goes ES going to take out all the fucking liquidity. So on its side, maybe we can get a gap here. Fucking bitch. ES hasn't done that, but ES has taken those highs, so that's another bearish SMT. I'm still convinced that we're bullish because we have a much larger bullish SMT than much larger bearish SMT or bullish SMT. Fuck, much larger bullish SMT than this internal SMT that we're making here. So ideally, we get a little, kind of have a baby gap right there. Should be interesting to see how that works out, but maybe, just maybe, we can get an entry like this, and we can do break even right there at those highs. That would be clutch. Dude, I don't like that gap. It's not, you can't even call that a gap, bro. And I run so far away. Bullish SMT. Like a bit of a cleaner entry in Q. Just for making another bullish SMT. Man, I might enter off this, to be honest. If we can close, yeah. Like a puny little fucking gap, but I don't know if I'm gonna enter. Not even a 30-second gap that was filled. Like, that's not a gap, dude. I just don't think I'm willing to take that. Make a little gap or something. Like a bigger, a more, better gap. Make a better gap. because that's not a gap. That's a fucking line. If this, I'm not gonna take that because I don't appreciate that gap at all. It just is not clean. It's not. It doesn't look good. So and look, it's just like price action is just chopping. Like we shit the bed, took out all my bearish targets pretty much. Now we're making an SMT, but we're just chopping. So see, it's a good thing I didn't take that. Now hopefully we can get a gap. Takes 3 candles. 3 candles. This candle can stick right there, make a gap. We might have such a cummy little entry. Go even to that 5 and be chill. Okay, we have a gap. Fuck off, bro. We have a motherfucking gap, but gap, SMT. I think he wants to keep going fucking lower. Dead ass. I don't really fuck with that. I mean, we got so much generated liquidity right here. Just, there we go. Okay. Yes, tapped into its 5-minute unmitigated gap. Maybe we can see some flippage, some bullish flippage here. Q is tapping into a 15-minute bullish gap, but it's like, I don't know. This is crazy. Me expecting longs right now is really, this was the entry I should have taken. It's clean, but it was before market, so I didn't. So this would have been such a crazy fucking RR if I would have. I probably only would have targeted like this 5-minute, but still like 1 to 11. Dude, we are just selling the fuck off. Well, it's definitely right on my bearish bias, so that's good. Yeah, it's no more SMT anymore. Soon enough. There might be another one, but dude, no way. Yes, goes just shits the bed all the way down right now. That was clean. I can't lie. Can't lie about it. We just inverse so many levels. Like, oh boy. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna take a trade unless I can get short opportunity, like a clean short opportunity. Just doesn't make sense to me to enter. I mean, checking out a 2-minute, such a large. Yeah, I just want to stop taking trades like that. I wanna take cleaner trades that I feel good about. Honestly, it's kind of looking like I'm not gonna trade today. It doesn't really make sense for it to go lower. My bias was right. I didn't find an entry during market open. I mean, there was this entry pre-market. We had an SMT, perfect inverse fair value gap. Even I had even a CISD, visit the fair value gap, respect it. And then we just sold the fuck off all the way through every liquidity level that I had marked out. And then some. So unless I can find a sick ass short position, like we can come up here, sweep out this high, and then inverse out of a 5-minute up here, and then I can target this low. That might be something, or we might just sell off to this low, and I can maybe catch a retracement entry. See, like right now, I can maybe catch a retracement entry up to this high if this were to inverse, but I don't think it is. It's just been respecting, generating liquidity down. Yeah. It might be a while till I get an entry. I'm gonna pause this until I get maybe. All right, I entered a trade. I got a late entry, but pretty much kind of got a CISD entry a little bit, but yeah. So I'll probably go break even at like this high at that point, maybe at like a 1-to-1. Okay, I'm gonna go break even. There's a reason for my TP. Ooh. Is that an internal SMT? Nah, we don't care about that. We don't care about that. We don't care. Order filled. One and done, baby. One and done. See, that is the kind of patience that you just strive for. Man. Ah! I'm feeling so good. Oh my gosh, I followed every single one of my rules. Okay. Oh, okay. I only need to make. I'm first of all gonna log my silver. I am so stoked about that, bro. Like, frick with me. Clean as heck, dude. Bro, that's how I feel after fucking hitting a trade like this, bro. Bro, I am telling you, I am so dialed.